In this lecture, I am going to tell you about how you can use Android's drag and drop feature to create your XML file. Basically, I am going to create an application which takes two integers as user input and then gives user as output its sum. So we need three text views, two for descriptive purpose like it says first number or second number, and the third for printing back the result, and two edit text for taking the user input, and finally a button. So we start with the text view. Say we have the first text view, then we have a edit text for taking the user input, and then another text view for little descriptive purpose, and then one more edit text for second user input. Then we have a text view where our result will be reflected back, and then a button. When we switch back to code section, we see that automatically our code is generated which contains our text view and edit text and button, which we created in our graphical layout by dragging and dropping. If we wish, then we can change some of its attribute, like we can change text of our button to say like click here, and its width as match parent, and then we can change this text view to like result, it's like second number, a more descriptive way to represent our text view so that user get a clear idea of what this attribute represents. Now we have the first number and then a edit text for taking the user input, then our second text view says second number, and then again a edit text to say take the second input, and then we have a result which gives back the final answer, and then we have a button. We are done with this lecture, and in the next lecture I'm going to tell you how to write our Java code to see how the thing actually works in the background.